This is an unboxing and an assembly of the WEBER portable Q1200. It's LP gas and it comes in red. It's made by WEBER. Now, I pulled it out of the box. But you have to be very, very careful because I wondered why the box was so heavy before you throw the box out. These are cast. Look at that. The cooking grills. Cast aluminum, I don't know, but they're coated. So they're in the bottom of the box. So don't be like me and throw the box out. And here the grades are in there. You're only going to need one tool, which is a Phillips screwdriver right there. Take the top off. Put the screwdriver in your pocket. Take the top off. These are already assembled. They fold over. Those are your little. And then here's your tray, your drip tray. Here's all your directions. It has your serial number listed right there, so keep it for your warranty. It's already got the everything hooked up. So first thing to do is put the cover on. There we go. There's two little pins and two clips like that. You're going to install those on the back. They fit right in. Oops, don't drop it like I did. You got to wiggle it a little bit, and then the cotter pins fit right in there. Boom. And the second one. Boom. There we go. I would take off this tape right here so you don't forget it and it melts. Go. There's your bag. Next thing is put your handle on and your temperature gauge. The reason I brought this one instead of the cheaper model is because I wanted a temperature gauge. It's very important. My old WEBER didn't have one. And to know, it's like an oven when you cook. You want to know what the temperature is for what your oven is. So here it is. There's a little bolt on there. It goes right here. You just fit it right in there. Open this up and screw it right on. You can do it by hand. You don't have to have pliers or anything. Just 1, 2, 3. There you go. You can't mess it up. It only goes one way. Now I'm going to put the handle on. These are little spacers. I'm going to put the spacer. Can't mess it up. The little spacer thing fits in the handle. Oh, keep dropping like I do. Ugh. Put the screws in the, let's see, how do you do this? Put the screw in here. Put the spacer in, and then put the handle. And then hand turn it to get it started. And then you can tighten it with your Phillips screwdriver. Second one, put your hand in here, get it in there, put your spacer in there, and your handle and hand tighten it. Just to get it started. There. And you're going to get your screwdriver, which is in your pocket. There you go, little Phillips screwdriver. Tighten it up. There we go. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to put, this is to turn it on and off. And this is your igniter. It already comes with the battery. Put the battery, the positive forward, put the negative inside. And you're gonna just slip it right in here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there we go. It pops right in there. There it is. And this one's gonna go here. It's gonna go right over here. It's only one way you can put it in. Fits right in there. There's a half moon. Make sure you put it in with the half moon. Right there. Fits right in. Of course I'm saying that and I can't get in it. That's the flat, that's the half moon. There you go. You got to just look. Now I'm going to take the cardboard off the bottom. This cardboard on the bottom. Pick it up. Take the cardboard off the bottom. There we go. Very important. And you're going to slide in your drip pan. That's another reason I got this, is I wanted a drip pan. Drip pan goes. Take the drip pan, go on the side, and slide it right in there. There's a little spot for it. Slide your drip pan right in there. Look at that. And it covers. There you go. You can see the drip pan. It catches it. And you can replace those. You can either get them at the WEBER store, Ace Hardware, or you can order them online. Next comes the cooking grade. Open the top up. Put that right in there. Look at that. Wow. These are really heavy and really nice. And there you go. If I can put it together, anybody can put it together. When you close it up, the sides just go fold in like this, down like this, and voila. And if you want to take it in your car, you put it like this to go camping, or you can leave it here on the table. Thank you for viewing. That is how you save yourself $99 assembly fee.